When you look for an affordable way to send money abroad, transfer to UK via Wise Online often stands out. Wise, previously known as TransferWise, has become a global leader in international remittances because it uses real exchange rates without hidden markups. Many people know the basics of Wise, but very few know the hidden features, offers, and tricks that can maximize savings while ensuring faster and safer transfers. Let's uncover them in detail. First, Wise allows transfers directly to UK bank accounts using mid-market rates. Unlike traditional banks, it doesn't add hidden fees within the exchange rate. Instead, you pay a transparent, upfront fee, which is usually much lower than banks and even other apps. You can send in INR, USD, EUR, or more than 50 currencies, and the recipient in the UK receives it in GBP quickly, often within minutes. Now, let's talk about the 5 hidden tricks and offers. 1. Multi-currency auto-conversion. If you hold money in Wise's multi-currency account, you can set auto-conversion alerts for GBP. This way, your money gets converted at your preferred rate without you having to monitor constantly. So, here's something interesting. While most transfers are already pretty fast, if you use your debit card instead of a regular bank transfer, your money can actually reach a UK account in under 20 minutes. That's really quick compared to the usual wait times. And, Wise sometimes runs these limited time referral or promotional campaigns where your first transfer to the UK can be completely free, but only if you use invite links. It's a nice little hack to save on fees for your very first transfer. Now, if you're sending more than £10,000 or the equivalent, Wise actually reduces its service fee percentage. It's almost like getting a hidden cashback, because you end up paying less in fees compared to smaller transfers. And here's another advantage. If your recipient in the UK uses Revolut or Monzo, Wise will route the payment through faster payments. That means the money arrives almost instantly, even on weekends, which is super convenient. So yeah, Wise routes payments through faster payments, making sure your money gets there really fast, even if it's a Sunday or a holiday. Using these methods, transferring money to the UK with Wise Online becomes not just cheaper, but also a lot faster and more efficient than most traditional options out there. And, to top it all off, you can get the Wise Debit card, which lets you spend in British pounds abroad without any conversion charges. So basically, you have a complete solution for moving money across borders with ease.